How's it going, everyone? This is Bibby. I really have no idea what I'm doing. I decided to make this video series literally spontaneous, like just out of the blue. I'm like, you know, this would be a good idea, so let's just jump into it. I'm gonna take half an hour of my time, my precious, valuable time, and I'm gonna make a game. It's gonna be pretty bad because I'm really bad at programming, but you know, you want to see this, right? Jump right in. So for this series, I'm gonna try and pick an experience that or something in my life that I feel is important to make a game about. So this weekend I got hit in the head by a sizable tree, so I'm gonna make this tree simulator. I could spell. It's named Tree Simulator 2016. Now this has probably been made already by some genius out there in the gaming world, but you know, what are you gonna do? So I guess to start off we're gonna need some sprites. So let's look up tree PNG. Oh man, getting into the good stuff. It even has specifics here if I wanted to like get really into it. I don't know, there's a lot of choices. Let's pick a nice, this is a good tree. Good tree.jpg. So let's steal some resources here. If the internet weren't so poor right now, I would just get it. But it appears that the internet doesn't want to work. Let's not get that tree. Downloading virus.jpg. No. This might be, there we go. And it's not a JPEG. It lied to me. There's a PNG. And of course, you know what, fine. I'm assuming, since I got hit by a tree, I mean, it's gonna be the enemy, so we need a protagonist, so just look up protagonist PNG. Oh man. This is this is some quality stuff here. I like what I see. I mean, this is definitely Saints Row. I mean, we could make it Undertale, but I feel like that would be, I mean, this is clearly not a PNG. It's like a lumberjack PNG. I feel like if we're having a tree game, we need lumberjacks. Oh man. I feel like this is leaps and bounds beyond what I expected to find. I'm gonna just go with this. Well, the hard part's done, so we can get out all this and actually start to write some code. So we're gonna start out with some sprites, obviously. Start out with the lumberjack since he's the protagonist, and he is huge. He's large. We'll figure that out later. I'm not gonna name anything because I'm very bad at this. So we got our sprites. Let's make some objects. It's already going way faster than I thought it would. We're only 5 minutes in. We're already making objects. So lumberjack. You know, let's just name him Lum. I feel like the protagonist's name is Lum. Because I don't feel like writing lumberjack every time I write a piece of code. And I'm lazy. Then we got our tree, which I'm going to name TR. Lowercase because I'm lazy. And I'm bored right now, and this is what I'm doing with my life. Now, I guess the next logical thing to do would be to make a room. So let's find a nice background. A nice background.jpg. I mean, these are all okay. This one looks pretty good. Load a background up. Boom. Background 0 is a go. And then we gotta make a room for all this loveliness. Of course, we're gonna use background 0. Oh, beautiful. Oh no. That is going to be a problem. Oh my goodness, he's huge. I'll work on you later. That is a background. Alright, so we obviously have to work on Lum here. First, let's work on his size. This is where I start to forget how to program, and it's gonna be really good. It's gonna be spot on gameplay. Let's just make him 5 and 5. Who cares? This is probably not gonna work, but I'm very bad at planning things. Dang it. I love programming. We obviously have to move him around. Now, I'm not good at this either. Add an event of a key press. And I guess right would be to move right. And add another event of a key press. And that would be to move left. Start with left. Ah, yes. And start moving in a direction when I press left. Press left, you're gonna move that way at a speed of... he's about a 4 relative. Yeah, check that. Make sure you got Lum at a relative checkbox, because that's going to be necessary in the future. We got right. To move right, we're going to want to, you know, move at 4.1 to the right, because it's my world. I'm going to make a move at 4.1 to the right. I'm sure that will not be a problem. I mean, I obviously know what I'm doing. So I guess all that's left is to throw him in that room and see if I did everything wrong, which I probably did, because he's already huge. But I'm hoping that whenever I start the game, it actually makes him a normal size. So let's just hope and a prayer start this game, which has literally nothing to it right now, and hope that it doesn't explode. Well, Yeah, I did that. That's not right. No. That's a large axe. And I mean, I have to obviously add friction because otherwise I can just get them up really high speed. So, minor setback. I need to find another lumberjack PNG. Oh man, this one might actually be better. This is a RuneScape lumberjack. I don't think this is going to be any better. It's still pretty big. I'm gonna try and edit this sprite. Scale it down a little bit maybe. Yes. Now we're cooking with something. I just realized that to make this actually work, I'm gonna have to duplicate this sprite and you know, edit the sprite again. I'm gonna have to flip them because I need that in my life. So when he's moving to the left, we obviously want him to be facing to the left. So let's change the sprite into. We're gonna change the sprite to left lum, obviously. Right lum is right lum. Apply it to lum because you know. I swear, if there's people's comments that say you're terrible at programming, I'm gonna just tell you. And I'm going to write this, exact words. I don't do this for a living. I don't do this on a regular basis either. I do this because it's fun. So we're gonna make his friction. I forget how to do friction, so point 1 works. Yeah, good. We'll leave that 4th line of code. It's gonna be necessary in the future. Trust me. Room 0. Oh man, he's already here. And he's living large. You know what? Too big. I think he's too big. We can fix this though. Transform that baby. Flip him. Because we need it. Now we gotta go back into Lum's files and change everything. Well, we have the basic mechanics. Let's see if it worked. Lum, you're not here. Lum, where are you? Lum, I want to see you, babe. Where you at? Something's obviously wrong here. Okay. Please. No, please. This ship is going down. I'm gonna go down with... Oh boy. Cancel. Abort the mission. We have liftoff. Oh. He's there. I see him. Oh. The friction's not good. But this is a minor... He's... He's going. It's lit. I'm sorry that I just said that. It's the internet. 2016, wake up America. He's gone. Gone from our lives like a not to quote JonTron, but I'm totally gonna quote JonTron, a lover's kiss. So obviously friction point 1 is not good. Now we need to worry about also known as the tree. Alright, collisions I guess. That's what we need to do. I don't know how this is even a game, because like there's literally no objective. Why can't I remember how to make... Dang it! I don't want to erase that. Oh, show message. Yes! Yes, I remember now. It was show message. I don't know why that slipped my mind. Game over. You know what? No. I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make him follow a path. I did not think this through. I'm regretting every minute of what I'm doing right now. Obviously, I should make this, obviously the room that I'm in. No, I don't. No, I don't. Oh, dang it. Okay. I'm obviously gonna... Oh, there he is, our sweet prince. Alright, that's a path. Yeah, that's a path. I have an idea for the center here, so I'm just gonna make a really crazy path. So there's a path. So now we're gonna go in and make tree follow path. So now we gotta add tree as an object. I know what you're thinking. Bibby, where's the objective? Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I have no idea either. So there's tree. The enemy's in the game. Now, obviously, I need to add a jumping and platforms. I'm actually, you know what, I'm gonna make him jump. I'm gonna make him have a really nice jump. This is gonna be fun, right? I'm gonna move at a speed of like 5, because he's a lumberjack. He's obviously done this sort of thing before. What is all this? Okay, now obviously we're gonna have to add some sort of device that he doesn't fall through the world. Bingo. Yep, see? I know. You know, no one's gonna try and go this high. No one would dare. There. It's bulletproof. Let's do this. This is the first test run. We still don't have an objective in this game. And there's already a collision event error. This is good. What do you mean? Just Simon operator expected. Is this good? Is this bad? I'm sure that was the problem. What do you mean? It is all a-okay. It's working. The tree's not moving. There's a lot of physics problems. It's kind of a game. Fun times. Okay, we need an objective. We need, obviously lumberjacks need maple syrup to survive, so PNG of maple syrup. Oh man, so many choices. Which one's the one for me? This is a good one. Load sprite, maple syrup. It's lovely, except for the fact that it lied about being a PNG. Now we gotta make it an object. And we gotta put that in the room somewhere. We still don't even know if the tree works. So there's that. Hopefully if tree follows this path and we can get to the maple syrup, Obviously. Obviously, we've created a game. Why wouldn't... Oh, yes. It is lit. It is so lit, I can't even breathe. Well, this isn't hard at all. It's actually it's kind of oh, well, see. Just need to understand. Okay, I feel like it's fine. I feel like we need to escalate it a bit. There needs to be a little bit more challenge here. So we're gonna add a little bit more tree. That's about where it starts, right? Okay, if this runs correctly, and I didn't mess up, we have successfully created a game, and I will probably end this episode. This is already, the physics are fantastic. The physics are exactly what you'd expect to see in AAA gaming today. Oh my goodness, this is bad. Oh, okay, I have to at least win my own game. At least once. This is hard. I didn't create collisions for the second object. You know what, I'll create collisions for the second object. Just yay. We did all the work. Alright, time to reap the profit from this. I'm sure this is gonna be AAA in no time. Okay. So it's obviously a challenging gaming experience. It's very hard. I'm just gonna go off screen and cheat. Okay. Good start. Good start. Just touch the tip there. Okay, so you watched this for however long I made the episode. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of this, leave a like. I mean, I have no idea what I just created, but it's a game. Clearly, it has an objective, and there are enemies and a protagonist, so it is indeed a game. So, thank you for watching. That's it.